Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome back in another interesting and entertaining video. In our video of today, we're just keep pushing on you to learn language and to be active English learner starting from this year and jumping into 2021. There are a few potential things that you can focus on in terms of your language and in terms of language proficiency. Over the past week, I have mentioned few important key features of successful learners. One of them is their focus on reading habit and developing sustainable short reading habits. You do not need to necessarily read a ton of books. You just need to focus on particular kind of books and keep reading them sustainably, even if you focus on reading one page per day. I mean, at least that's going to be better than nothing. Three key features of very fluent and accurate language speakers are the following. Their mastery of phrasal verbs, their mastery of idiomatic expressions, and their mastery of prepositions. As much as it sounds silly to mention prepositions, but the mastery of preposition is just an indicator of an advanced level English speakers, EFL speakers. However, this is not our topic of today. Our topic of today is not to school you on the methods and tricks and strategies of to become a good English speaker. This lesson is to help you listen better to me. And, it's very important and key feature of students and learners of English is to have this habit of accumulating as much listening as possible. Not only do I emphasize on that part because of its importance, but because the tendency of native speakers to listen a lot to language, and one of the key features of successful language learners is to do the same thing, pretty much replicating what native speakers do. They listen. They're exposed to different type of stimuli on a daily basis, and this is just formulating their basic listening instinct. So you need to develop this instinct of listening a lot, and that is going to sharpen your listening and making you better English listener and, of course, eventually speaker. These two channels are really interlinked, and they constitute the asset of being an English speaker.